Morning students, welcome back to our channel. Yes, in our previous class we were discussing about the storyline of the prose A Gift of Chapels, right? So now let's begin the discussion. Let's continue it, right? So here we have discussed until uh, right yes, this paragraph, right? What had happened in the last paragraph? Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow, he howled miserably. Yes, when Ravi made a creaking sound, ooh, like that, when he made that sound, he scared. Who scared? Who scared? Yes, that Mahendra Varman Pallava Punai, what we have the name of that cat. The cat scared. That's what it has done. It trying to hide the beneath. Beneath means under. He tipped means moved with the toes slowly. Few chilies over himself. He just thrown some chilies over him, and he was howling meow meow like that. He was howling miserably, sadly. Okay, let's continue the next part. That is, the creaking went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridu. Yes, that sound was going on. That's what that that cat also, that kitty also, kitty means the baby cat. Okay, then here MP Punai we have Mahendra Varman Pallava Punai, right? So the creaking went on, that sound went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridu said, what is that sound? Right? That's Lully learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. Grunt. Here I just want you to understand what is that grunt sound. A low, short, guttural. This is grunt, like that, right? A low, short, guttural sound made by an animal or a person, right? That's Lully learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. When Mridu asked, what is this screeching sound? For that, Ravi replied, Lully is learning violin, right? She will never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on, while Lully all the time derailing, going completely off track, right? And Ravi said, when Ravi said to her, Lully is learning violin, for that Mridu replied, that girl, Lully never learns this how to play the violin, because music master goes on playing. He won't teach. He goes on, playing that, and how he plays train whizzing. Train makes sound, oh, like that. You know that sound. Who it makes sound like that. That master, who is that master? That music master. He goes on playing it. She tries to catch it, but always what happens to Lully? She derailing. Derailing means going off track. Going off track means accidentally leaving that track. Yes, she used to skip that. She used to escape from that. Like then, I we have some comprehension check questions. I just want you to answer for this. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Right? I know that. I know you. I know you are well aware about that. How does Ravi get milk for the kitchen? Yes, I just want you to answer for these questions today and send me through the WhatsApp. Who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe him? Yes. Okay. Yes, these all things I have explained to you, right? Ravi has lot to say about MP Punai. This shows that he is merely trying to impress Mridu. His knowledge of history is sound. He has a rich imagination and he is an intelligent child. Right? You are supposed to answer tick only one out of this. Which of these statement do you agree? Disagree. Okay. And what was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? Right? Why he, which sound? Noise means sound startled to start scaring him. What is that? Mahendran. Right? Okay. Let's begin the next paragraph. Mridu crept up to the window. Crept means moved slowly up to the window. Lully was sitting little distance away. Yes, Lully was sitting inside the room, little away, awkwardly holding, badly, not bad posture, holding her violin and bowstring. Bowstring means that string of a bow, right? String of a bow. Bowstring, her elbows jutting. Jutting means moving. Jutting out and her eyes glazed. Whose eyes? that Lalli's eyes glazed, shining with the concentration. With lot of concentration, she was, jutting. Jutting means moving that string of a violin, right? Then in front of her, with the most of his back to the window, was the bony figure. Yes, she was sitting like that. Behind that, all Ravi, Mridu so were standing behind, and they were looking at her. And in front of that Lali, of a person was sitting, music master. Yes, here the author has described how the music master was, right? Most of his back the window was the bony figure. Bony means what? Scrawny, thin figure. The music master. He had almost bald. Bald means, the one who is not having a hair, right? Falling around his, he had almost a bald head with a fringe, little fringe of oiled black hair. Yes, only this much. Fringe means less, least. Fringe of oiled black hair falling around his, around means around, like this, around, right, around his ears. And old fashioned tuft means what we will be having, tuft, right, tuft. You can say lock also, sometimes you say lock, right? Pony, you say, right? That a gold chain gleamed. Gold chain was also gleaming. Gleaming, shining. Gleamed around his leathery neck. On his neck, that gold chain was also gleaming. And a diamond ring. Diamond ring he was having, glittering. Glittering also shining. Gleam is also shine. Glitter is also shine. Right? Glitter on his hand as it glided. Move when he was also moving. That diamond ring was glittering when he was doing like this. When he was playing or jutting the bowstring of a violin, that diamond ring was glittering. Yes, and his hand has glided up to downwards from the violin. Okay, a large foot of his foot was stuck out from the beneath of his golden bordered vesti. Vesti means dhoti. Yes, and his one of his legs were stuck into the dhoti, right? And he was beating time on the floor with a scrawny big toe. With a with help of his big toe, he was just beating to the ground. Yes, you can also see that when we will be hearing a music, what we do, we just like that we beat, right? Like that he was, for the timing, what he was doing, he was beating his the big scrammy means thin toe to the ground, right? I hope you all have understood. Until this, I just want you to read this same lesson, and if you have any doubt, please write in the write to me in the through the WhatsApp. You can send me, don't write anything in the comment section. Okay, then what I want you to do, read it. Then I have given lot of works to you. Many of you haven't completed it, right? Every day I keep watching how many of you watch the video. you know Only 50% of you all are watching the video. Many of you are skipping. Yes, maybe they were not aware about these all online classes and all. I just want you to inform them, as we have started the classes and we are in the second lesson. Please, I requesting you, urging you to spread the news of this online classes to your friends, right? Thank you for watching this video, and also motivate your friends to complete their work as soon as possible. With that, you can also send me if you have you can send me a message if you have any queries. Thank you for watching this video.